USDT dominance is showing us something very interesting here, and then we really need to talk about this. So we see here, and this is on the daily time frame for USDT dominance, that we had this big, what you'd call a triple bottom here, and then we had the first move to the upside, consolidation, and another move to the upside. Now, ideally, after these types of impulsive moves, you'd want a retest of the neckline of the triple bottom. Of course, a retracement back to that triple bottom area right there will mean a big pump for crypto or Bitcoin and the rest. Now, what we are seeing right here is, well, something that looks more like a bear flag, and it looks like that thing has been broken already to the downside here. The daily time frame here closes at about 33 minutes, so we will have to watch out and see the closing of this candle. But as of now, it looks like it's already broken that bear flag right here, meaning that this thing should ideally continue lower. These are the targets here, but the ones that I put in red are those that I think will be massive zones of resistance for crypto. So whenever this thing comes down to here, I'll be watching these particular zones for a possible top on BTC and the rest of the crypto market. But that is essentially what we have here on USDT dominance. Ideally, we continue to the downside right here. If this thing can choose to go back to the upside here, then it would have really been unfortunate and somewhat embarrassing, I'd say, because no one would be longing this type of structure. I mean, how do you long this? You long here and you put your stop loss here? That's too obvious. It will most likely take it out. So this big move to the upside here, I think it will be retraced. Most of the times when we have these big surges to the upside or downside, they are bound to be retraced, and I think is what is going to happen around here. Now, we've already addressed what this will mean for BTC. We're talking about the mid 80s to lower 90k zone, but of course this thing might as well just bottom right here, even though it's not something I'd be betting on. If it comes down here as we think, then we'll be watching BTC, because this thing is not always one-to-one. Yeah, it's not like when this thing drops by about 1% and BTC goes up by about 1%. This thing may drop by 1% and BTC goes up by 3%, so we'll be watching this as we watch BTC's price action.